I'm gonna play chapter 2, okay? Chapter Rick and Morty, Rick and Morty, chapter 2, chapter Rick and Morty. Okay, let's gonna do it. Let's do it. I just wanted to give it a try because I don't know, man. I like this shit. I'm gonna whatever. Fuck off. Fuck you. Yeah. Fuck you. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got. I'm small. I'm Morty. I'm Morty. I'm small. Uh. What? That's disgusting. There's something about these jars. Oh shit. What the fuck? I really don't know what I'm doing in this refrigerator. Oh fuck. This is not professional at all. What am I doing with my life? What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh god. Ah, it's disgusting. What a piece of shit. What the fuck, man? Well, that was Rick and Morty episode 2, chapter 2, licensed. Blah. That's it, I guess. That's all I can. That's all I can do now. Okay, whatever.